Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today I am teaching you the alphabet, 26 letter of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have 26 letters of the alphabet. We have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U are our vowels. The other letters are consonants. Each sentence begins with capital letter. Capital letters. Ravi likes to play. R capital. He is playing with his friends. H capital. For example, the flower is pretty. The flower is pretty. Each sentence begins with a capital letter. Mira has two kittens. Mira has two kittens. M capital. Where is my book? Where is my book? W capital. The name of a person or a place. For examples, Mohan, Asma, Harjeet, Mary, Kolkata, Taj Mahal. These are the name of a person or a place. Write about yourself, your name, Pratik, your surname, Sareen, your mother's name, Monica Sareen, your father's name, Deepak Sareen, the name of your college, DTU, the name of your country, India. The names of festivals, days of the week, and the months of the year, always in the capital letter. Circle the names of festivals that you enjoy the most. Diwali, Pongal, Holi, Rakhi, Eid, Christmas, Durga Puja, Easter, Onam, Navroz. Filling the blanks with names of days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Which day of the week is a holiday? Sunday, S capital. Which day comes before Tuesday? Monday, M capital. Which day comes between Wednesday and Friday? Thursday, T capital. Which day of the week has the most number of letters? Wednesday, W capital. They write the letters in Thursday in alphabetically orders. Each sentence begins with a capital letter. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe and share, and please press the bell icon to get more videos.